she was doing wrong.
Then describe it.
He came toward me
With a pistol.
from my bureau
Did you fight him?
like a tiger. He had strength and she had none, and yet we both reached for the gun. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, both, oh yes, both, oh yes, both. We fought the gun, the gun, the gun, the gun. Oh yes, both, we fought the gun, fought the gun.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, we both, oh yes, we both, oh yes, we both reached for the gun, the gun, the gun, the gun. Oh yes, we both reached for the gun, for the gun.
Understandable, understandable. Yes, it's perfectly understandable. Comprehensible, comprehensible. Not a bit reprehensible. It's so deep. Very frightened.
Are you sorry? Are you kidding?
What's your statement?
All I'd say is, don't mind you jump the track. I give my life to bring it back. Stay away from jazz and liquor and the men who play for fun. That's the thought that came upon me when we both reached for the gun.
Come on, babe, why don't we paint the town and all that jazz? I'm gonna rouge my knees and roll my stockings down and all that jazz. Start the car, I know a whoopee spot where the gin is cold but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl and all that. No one's wife, but all alive and all yeah, that jazz.